Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good morning, good evening, good night, whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are and you come across this video. But y'all, I just wanted to give an update. I made a video yesterday. A lot of people made videos yesterday regarding Nelly being arrested in Missouri. And first of all, y'all, in that video, I said I wanted to correct something because in that video, I said that Ashanti had her baby. I thought I heard that she had the baby like a month ago. I swore I heard that or saw that somewhere. But comes to find out, I was wrong, y'all. She has not had the baby yet. She's really close to her due date. But anyway, yeah, correction to that. Ashanti has not had her baby yet as of yesterday when I made that video. So, anywho, y'all, this is an update to what's going on with Nelly. So, his attorney rips cops over casino arrest and said that the rapper was targeted. And I don't think that's a surprise to anybody. I think everybody had a lot of what I saw people were saying and reading what people were saying. A lot of people were already thinking that because we know that this is common in the black community. It doesn't matter if you have money or not. If you're a black man, this is common it's common in the black community. So a lot of us already thought in the beginning when we heard this that something's not sounding kind of right. And then I said, especially since it happened a few days after the Ti situation, when Ti was arrested in Atlanta at the airport for mistaken identity because somebody else, they were looking for somebody else. So they say they were looking for somebody else by the name of Clifford Harris, which is Ti's real name. So how can you not know who the rapper Ti is what I was tripping off of. You know what I'm saying? Like, how could you not know who Ti is? Now here we go a few days later, and come to find out this is going on with Nelly, and like, so like I said, y'all, it was already a thought in a lot of our heads anyway. But let me read this, y'all. This is from TMZ. So let me read this. It says Nelly's legal team is firing back at police after the rapper was arrested at a Missouri casino. They say he was targeted by an overzealous, out of line officer. Nelly's attorney, Scott Rosenblum, told Page Six Nelly had won a jackpot at the Hollywood Casino in St. Charles Wednesday morning when the arresting officer falsely told him they needed to run a background check before giving Nelly his money. Rosenblum says Nelly knew this claim to be bogus because he had won bigger jackpots at the same casino. And in those instances, he received his winnings without a background check and no issues whatsoever. This time, though, Nelly's attorney claims the officer conducted a background check, which police say turned up an active warrant for no insurance from a previous traffic stop conducted by Maryland Heights police. Nelly's attorney says once he was informed of the warrant, the officer handcuffed Nelly and paraded him through the casino in front of other gamblers. Rosenblum says the arresting officer then searched Nelly without probable cause and claimed to have found alleged ecstasy among Nelly's belongings. That's crazy, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Hold on before I continue with the article. This would, just like they said, an overzealous police officer. Those are the ones most of the time. Those are the ones. So just like I said, he targeted Nelly from the beginning because why are you doing all this? Because this man wants some money. Why are you doing all of this? What else prompted him to do all that he did? What prompted him to do that? Other than the fact that he was targeting Nelly. What prompted him to do that? Because this man won whatever amount of money at the casino. What prompted you to treat him like a criminal? Because that's what he did from the jump. That's what he did. And then like Nelly said that he knew that what the officer was doing was bogus because he had won bigger jackpots at the same I'm sorry y'all, at the same casino in the past. And this never happened. But all of a sudden you come in there and you win money, and then on top of Just like they said, he wanted to be parading Nelly through the casino with the handcuffs on. So, we know what type of time it was. But anywho, y'all, so let me get back to the article. It says Nelly's attorney says the active warrant was issued in December from a traffic stop that happened in 2018. Are you kidding me? Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. So the warrant, the active warrant was issued from a traffic stop in December of 2018? 2018, y'all. I mean, I know the law is the law and it is what it is, but come on, y'all. Because the way this police officer treated Nelly, he treated him like he saw him in there selling drugs or something. I mean, like he saw him doing some type of hardcore crime that warranted him to put the handcuffs on him and parade him through the casino for a damn traffic stop warrant from 2018 and 4 ecstasy pills. Dude, are you serious? Okay, y'all. So let me get back to the article. Okay, so it says, and he says Nelly was not given notice of the warrant. Rosenblum says if Nelly was not famous, he would not have told to address the warrant and sent on his way instead of being arrested, as was the case here. As we reported, the Missouri State Highway Patrol, which has troopers from its gaming division at the casino, told us Nelly was booked for felony drug possession and on a warrant for no vehicle insurance. Nelly's attorney, however, says he has not been charged with drug possession, and Rosenblum's confident the case will go nowhere and his law firm will be asking for an inquiry into the arresting officer's conduct. Yeah, do that. Just like I said, we were going, when I made that video yesterday, I said we were definitely going to hear something within a day or so. Nelly's team is on it because, just like I said, y'all, when I saw this, now not saying, just like the same thing I said with the T.I. video, not just saying he can't go to jail because of who he is, because that's definitely false, being that they both been to jail before. So, you know what I'm saying? That would have definitely been false if I would have said that. But at the end of the day, it doesn't even matter. Just like I said at the beginning of the video, it doesn't matter who you are and what your financial status is. I feel like I felt that yesterday when I heard about it. I felt like this was targeted, just like I said with the T.I. Situation. But then I said, let me not move too fast. Let me not think too fast. Because just like I said, I'm not saying that they can't go to jail because they are who they are. I'm not saying that at all, but it just seems kind of suspect to me that this happened a few days after the T.I. mistaken identity case. And what I said in that video, that it was just kind of weird that T.I., like I said, he was arrested in the Atlanta airport, his hometown of Atlanta. So you mean nobody knew who he was? Nobody in the airport knew who he was. None of the police officers who arrested him knew who he was. That just sounds kind of bogus to me. I feel like those people knew who that man was and they were just going to humiliate him. So, they knew who he was. And then just like this situation with Nelly, that's what it seemed like with the police officer doing with him, parading him through it. And then it seemed like he was proud to do it, parade him through the casino so everybody could see that Nelly is getting locked up. You know what I'm saying? Everybody could see Nelly with the handcuffs on. That would not have went down like that. If that was somebody like Diddy, it wouldn't have went down like that. If they would have arrested that man, they would have took him out the back door. They would have, you know what I'm saying? So just like they said with this Nelly situation, an overzealous police officer, and those are the ones. Just like the situation that happened with Sonia Massey. That's what type of police officer he was. Definitely overzealous and out of line. So it's just crazy, y'all. But it looks like Nelly is gonna be, nothing bad. They're gonna go ahead and clear this up, and he'll be able to go on with his life, which I'm glad of, because just like I said in that video yesterday, they just be doing, nobody cares about the ecstasy thing. People knew about Nelly with the ecstasy. I don't think people knew he was still taking ecstasy, but I remember hearing years ago about him being on ecstasy, and just like the video performance that I posted of him with that video yesterday, where he was looking, he was definitely looking like he may have been, he may have been drugged out. Just like I said, it had to be one of three things. Either he was high on drugs, he was possessed by the devil, or the matrix was glitching at the time of that performance. So a lot of y'all probably know which one I'm talking about, because it was circulating online for, a lot. It was everywhere for a minute, because people were like, is he okay, what's wrong with him? But we didn't hear anything else about it after that. So, as at this point, I still don't know what happened to him that day, what was going on with him. But yeah, y'all, anyway, like I was saying, nobody was really surprised by that. But all of this, he was targeted. But yeah, y'all, I'm just glad that it's looking okay for him. You know what I'm saying? It's looking okay for him as far as him going to jail and things like that. But anyway, y'all, that was my update on the Nelly situation. So thank y'all for watching my video. I'm out.